What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Mr. Buzz is checking in, and I'm back like I never left. And today I'm going to tell you guys, today's video, I'm just going to let you guys know, or I'm just going to let you guys into my basketball world. I don't know if you guys know, but I also coach. You guys know that I coach girls flag football, but I also coach boys basketball. I coach JV boys basketball, and I coach varsity boys basketball. I'm the assistant coach for both teams. And I guess I'm just here to let you guys know, just let you guys know how this season is going. This is my second year coaching basketball, and it's going good so far. I feel like I'm growing as a coach. I'm growing as I'm developing. That's what it's all about, player development, coaching development. This season, let me see, our record, we're currently 1, 2, 3, 4. We're currently 6-3. Currently 6-3. We were recently ranked the number 3 team in the state. We're in AA. We were recently number 3. Right now we're number 9. We just took 2 losses to the number 1 team. So yeah, we had some good games. We won the first game 85-54, then 77-59. Then we played a team from Atlanta in the tournament. We lost 71-50. That team just shot the lights out. They had some shooters on that team. Next game we won 75-54. Next game we won 65-52. That was part of the tournament. And then the next game, that's when we played the number 1 team. That game went into overtime. We ended up losing 73-64. I actually don't think we scored in overtime. So yeah, that's how that game went. Then we won the next game 63-53. Then we had a chance at revenge at that number 1 team. The first game was at our home, and then the second game we traveled to their place. It was about an hour and a half. It was an hour and a half trip. Yeah, we got that 30 piece. We lost 82-50. So yeah, it didn't really go our way the second time. Last night we won 63-42, so we're getting some good wins. I guess the rest of this video, I'm just going to show you guys some highlights of my team, playing, hooping, balling. I guess that seems fitting. Also might throw in some clips from, the next practice or whatever. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with this video. But yeah, just trying to open you guys up to, the basketball world. Curl.